Bob, what are you doing?
Hi Joe, I'm doing magic, see?
Magic? This time you can't cheat me, Bob. I know, you have a magnet. Even I can do that magic.
Good Joe, now your brain is working. Okay, without magnet, I will show you a magic.
Aha! Let me see first. Then I will tell you it's magic or not.
Okay, see this.
Hey Bob, is this nail or magnet?
It's a nail, Joe.
No, I don't think so.
See, it's a nail.
How can nail attracts the pin?
It's a simple science. I will show you.
Science? What's that, Bob?
Nothing, Joe. It's because of magnetic induction.
What does it mean, Bob?
A magnet induces magnetic properties in some substances like iron, cobalt, steel, nickel, etc. This property is called magnetic induction.
What is induction, Bob?
I will show you what the induction is. Take a strong magnet and a nail. Now rub the nail to this magnet in one direction like this. Now the nail gets magnetized. See now, this nail attracts the pins. This is called magnetic induction. That means this natural magnet induces magnetism to the nail when it is placed nearer to the magnet.
Wow, Bob, you are a magnet.
That's why I'm attracting everybody.